people would flourish under my dictatorship.
The moment you come to know you're going to be able to become a queen of something, all democracy is going to leave your system.
Me for queen. Vote.
At least when you were dictator, I think it would have been fun in some way. If you make me prime minister, there's going to be death penalty for all sorts of shit.
Because they'll be like some media reporter, Madam Prime Minister, do you think that men should have rights? And then you will be like, no.
Hi everybody. Welcome to another episode of Save the Panda with the last surviving panda in Bangalore. The only one who can handle this temperature and barely. Hi, this is Kirat. This is Kaundinya.
Hello.
I don't know which way to look at. Do I look at this face or do I look at the face above it?
Are they not different? Since I don't have any eyes anymore.
Panda probably has better eyesight than you, but other than that, same.
I had the same eyesight when I picked you as a host.
Probably the last good decision you took. After that, it's been one flop after another.
Wow.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Okay, hello children. In today's Endangered Species podcast, our natural?
Yeah, mostly.
Yeah, our natural photographer. What is it called?
Nature photographer?
No.
Wildlife
Nat Geo को
photographer.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Like wildlife channel.
Wildlife channel. Right. Our wildlife interviewer.
I would have better luck interviewing an actual panda than you. What the hell?
I interviewed Sherry a while ago, and Sherry was very happy.
I can't believe in the time that it took for me to get dressed, you're like, I'm replacing you with a four-legged animal.
Sherry was a far better co-host.
Oh, she doesn't even like meowing. How can you think about replacing me?
Not everything has to be spoken.
Yeah, just that side eye and absolute derision, you would have been okay with that.
She barely looked at us.
She barely looked at you?
Mm-mm.
Clearly the perfect co-host then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this like the 4th episode we're shooting this year? Or?
Maybe.
Because 2026, our New Year resolution was we are going to shoot
more. We're
going to shoot thrice a month at least.
At least. We have shot thrice this year.
And we are in
April. Boy.
And the
To be fair, March was hard on us.
March was hard on a lot of people.
We marched past March because
As if April
bad.
was good.
My birthday was there, it was fine.
Yeah, your birthday was fine, but it was all shit show before that.
Is it just because of the heat?
It is because of the heat. It is because of what happens in the country. This is not a political episode, guys.
This is not political. Okay, not the panda, but you. Let's assume, I don't know. You're very controlling, and you don't like anyone.
Look who's talking.
You're very controlling.
Look who's talking.
You don't like anyone interfering with your decision making. You like having unilateral unilateral control over your decisions, actions.
Yeah.
You like to have the final say. So I'm like, what if you... So I'm like, okay, he'll make a good dictator. Fine. So I'm like, what
See,
if...
people would flourish under my dictatorship. I am not even kidding at this one. This is not even a joke. Seriously, legitly, if I was made the dictator of this country or any country, really, people will
Stalin,
flourish.
Lenin, Hitler, Gaddafi. There's about 15 guys before you who thought the same thing.
Well, I don't need a coup.
Son, they're gayer. So I'm just like...
Hitler killed Jews, but he did not touch gays. Did he?
He had a problem with that as well. He was anti-homosexuality. Yeah, but that's because they had a very pro-natalist agenda that everyone should be having kids, like Aryan kids, etc. So it was about women marry German men and then they have a lot of kids. And oh my God, we're political again.
Why though?
Because I was just entertaining the thoughts of what kind of a dictator you would make. And
I would make an amazing dictator. My dictator manifesto. Country. Here is my manifesto. 1. Free water for all. 2. Free air for all.
You understand, if you were a dictator, you wouldn't have a manifesto because you're not trying to contest an election. You're telling कि मैं हूँ.
I'm a different dictator, guys.
That's just called being a prime minister. If you're getting elected,
I am not elected. Like, see, dictatorship also if people choose.
by definition, nobody chooses their dictator.
Someone voted for Hitler.
Uh,
Like someone always votes a dictator in, then that
and then
person
he
stays.
refuses to leave the position of power.
Okay, you know what? I'm just not leaving. I'm not leaving. Not leaving.
So dictator is like a person who gets fired but doesn't want it.
Dictator is like Trump's wet dreams when he manages to sleep at night.
I mean, Melania thinks Trump is a dictator.
She thinks he's a dick. It's a different story.
No. She has no other choice but to think he's a dictator because she can't believe people are stupid enough to elect him there, or that she has a choice to leave. If it has to be a dictator for
I
me
think
to not have a choice.
Melania is the only woman in America for whom no fault divorce doesn't exist. Because she's like, I'm a little bit at fault here. And then I can't leave
I'm like,
him.
I thought I could leave him. Now I have 3 children.
3 only?
3 only, no? Barren.
The dumb, dummy and dumber. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I'm only saying that because I don't know their names. It's like if you asked me to name the Kardashians, I would be like that girl and then that other girl and then their mother.
It's like Kim. I know the actual names. I was going to know the fake names, like in Two Bro Girls.
Kim, Kooky, Kool-Aid, and the little ones, Captain and Kangaroo.
Oh, okay. What are the actual names?
Kim,
Huh.
Chloe, Courtney. These are the Kardashians.
You said only one name till now. You just said,
No, Kim.
are these even separate names?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. I'm totally being obtuse. I am online. I think I could tell the difference between Chloe and
Kendall. They are the Jenners and all the
Kendall.
Kardashians.
You've lost me. I can tell all of Tulsi Virani's husbands.
Tell no.
There's Mihir one, the guy who before the plastic
I have no
surgery.
data points to
Okay.
collect.
Yeah.
Comment down
okay.
below if she's
and
right.
then there is Ronit Roy played another one of her husbands.
He
Okay.
did all of this before Adalat.
Who?
Ronit Roy.
Was he on Adalat?
He was the lawyer.
Okay, yeah. So she had, I think there's an actor called Amar Upadhyay. He played one of the husbands, and then Ronit Roy played another one of her husbands. And then I guess there was a third husband, but by that time I grew up and I had to study and stuff, so I stopped watching. I can't even name all of Tulsi.
So this Tulsi has 3 husbands?
Yes.
Or is the actor being replaced?
The actor is being replaced because actors on TV get replaced a lot because they get like different projects. Or
So I mean, I thought she was like Anupama, like leaves.
oh no.
Doesn't stay in a relationship for longer than 6 months, guys.
Yeah, Anupama is having a very Love Island life.
Yeah.
Tulsi Virani was not doing that with her life.
She did not have the
हमारे
choice.
ज़माने में और they used
हमारे
to stay
ज़माने
with their TV husbands.
Although they change faces.
No. Okay. So you're saying, okay, basically what you're trying to tell me, even though you're not telling me that, is that people would elect you. So
Yeah.
you would become a Pradhan Mantri.
Pradhan Mantri, yes. I would really excel at that, I feel also. Like, let's say there's like, what is that movie? Nayagan in Hindi.
No work experience and chronic lack of empathy and unwillingness to take direction. So obviously this is
Chronic lack of empathy. I have been empathetic to every single thing in the world.
I'm just okay.
Trying to pile up lies. See, already Pradhan Mantri.
Already the opposition.
Already leader of opposition energy is giving.
No, so okay, why? Okay, let's assume I'm not the leader of opposition. Let's assume I'm also just an
Someone should
ordinary
vote for
citizen.
you, no?
Somebody has to vote for you, and there is
People will vote for me.
on the basis of what?
My good looks.
This panda topi is going to be playing a starring role in your
No,
campaign.
I'm a funny person. People like a funny person. People like an orator. People like people who can give interviews. All these things I can excel
By that
at.
logic, why?
I don't understand that though. See, because is it like a one-day prime minister scenario?
No,
like
30
in that
days.
movie?
I want to give you 30 days because you've told me several times that I should let you run my life for 1 year
Yeah.
and then it's going to take off. Okay. So I know that I don't want to give you the control of my life for even a day because I don't want my body to be found under unexplainable circumstances, which is why I'm like, prove to me hypothetically how would you run a country for 30 days?
See, I would excel at that thing. I'm just doing any American politician on a debate.
Huh.
I will excel at this because
Because
then I'll think why.
see, already if you're going to look at American politics only, then there is a certain number of cases against you that are so lacking.
Okay, as a person who would want to be a prime minister, two things. If it's only for 1 month, let's say,
Yeah.
you have to get the power, you have to hold the power, and then you have to make sustainable
Let's just
change.
assume through whatever quirk of fate you won the election and stuff. Okay.
No. 30 days mein, what
30
is the
days.
main agenda I am telling? Hold the power. Like tomorrow morning, they'll put no confidence motion and they'll remove me. What else?
No, that's not going to happen.
Pakka.
Pakka.
Okay. If that is the case, first I'll remove. No, I'll make a new president.
Who? This love nepotism has started. We have been in power 2 minutes.
See, nepotism excels in this country, and why do different things? I am going to make.
If nepotism excels in this country, I have so many Shania Kapoor movies to show you. You're not going to live past this evening.
I am going to show you so many Abhishek Bachchan films.
I like Abhishek Bachchan.
But nepotism works.
If Abhishek Bachchan is your trump card, you've already lost.
See, I
No.
can start
But he's a
naming
good-
South Indian actors.
And he's a good actor, regardless of his lineage. One may argue.
Yeah.
Okay. But okay, fine. You wanna play favorites.
Yeah.
You wanna.
Nepotism.
But this is favoritism. He's not your child.
Yeah.
He's your
It's-
he's your
I-
beloved. You wanna put
See,
your beloved in a
the
position
way
of
I
power.
would just put my partner on the president throne,
Oh.
start doing scandalous shit, and then make a manga saying "My lovely president" and sell it. Because 30 days only, no? Uske baad there is no way I'm going to stay here. I have to flee to other country. So might as well cause the most amount of wreckage I can and start a manga BL empire.
That's what you intend to do.
That's the first thing.
So much like all other presidents and prime ministers, you don't care about the people.
No,
you don't have a plan.
See, I said that's the first thing I'll do.
Okay.
The second thing I'll do
You have
is
29 days left.
yeah, I'll bartaraf the entire cabinet, put all women.
I'm listening.
And it's the easiest thing to do, right? Like, change also should be in a way that
There have to be a certain kind of women. Okay.
woman.
No, a certain like a thinking woman, an intellectual woman. You know, you don't
Like that one will not find any
Oh, come on, we
politicians.
don't need more of I don't buy onions kind of thing in the parliament
See, all
anymore.
of them have to be in the same ruling party. That's also the problem.
But it's your ruling party, na? This.
Oh, you are telling me that I made a party, I've recruited people, I won the election. I thought suddenly you're just taking off existing prime minister and putting me there.
No. I'm working under the hypothesis that you do have a party, you do have a few members and everything, and you won fair and square. You fought an election.
Oh,
in
that
a
is the
big
case. Why only
democracy.
30 days then? Do you plan on killing me or something?
Yes, I'm planning to assassinate you after 30 days. Will you work with my hypothesis or no?
Okay. Continue.
Huh. So you're gonna have but you should have a criteria.
Yeah.
It can't be like in general just women.
So if it's my party, it's going to be
Axiomatically, you're saying all the women are smarter.
no, the ones I will hire will be like specifically because like one lesbian should run the country.
But you're the prime minister.
So well,
Yeah.
I'll sit. I take good direction.
Okay.
So lesbians have to run the country.
Okay.
So finance minister lesbian,
I'm with you.
home minister me only. Don't like relinquishing that much control.
How can you be the prime minister and the home minister at the same time?
There are so many people who have done that.
Name one.
I mean, chief ministers have done that. I don't know prime ministers have done that.
First of all, your knowledge of politics is so
I think
stupendous.
Indira Gandhi had the home ministry when she declared emergency.
She also wanted to declare emergency. That's why she did probably.
That entire term she had the home ministry.
But we're talking about a very functional democracy. The moment, come on, you have to pick a home minister. This is just because you don't like leaving the house. That's why you want to keep the home ministry.
So I mean,
Do you know how much travel is involved in being a prime minister?
I mean, okay, that makes sense.
You have to leave your house and go to other countries and then pretend that you like the people there.
I have to go to the US and tell that I like those people.
At least the president.
Trump.
I mean, you could just go to US and just do a run of the late night shows and be like,
Like
I hate your
Zelensky.
president, I hate your president.
I don't like you either. I don't, and I probably never will.
And then you come back.
I mean, that makes complete sense, though. We can do that. Okay. If that is the case, so much home ministry you've been doing.
Don't make me the home minister.
You only.
Don't. You're saying what would I do?
No, I'm not asking a question. You
Then-
will be the home minister.
Huh.
I will vanish
Hmm.
with the president. And you will have to run the country. Who do you want to be the finance minister? You have to return Nirmala Sitharaman and run the country.
I'm replacing.
No, you're returning.
I'm replacing our currency with monopoly money because that is the only way any of those decisions would make sense. So I have to do
No,
the
we are
best I
returning the
can.
person, not the plans. This is a hypothetical scenario where I already led a coup and no. Where I already
First of
went
all,
into elections.
okay, I don't know. If I am becoming the leader of anything, I'm going to invent a stock market that actually works. Okay?
But
And
is the
because
stock market itself a hoax?
It kind of is, but I'm going to invent a logical stock market. And the reason for that is that I cannot watch. It's entirely selfish, but I cannot watch my own hard-earned money go into the crapper just because
I told you
some
nicely.
loser decided to bomb another place.
I mean, that is how they get rich.
But that's how I'm getting poor.
A lack of job. Just say it.
Also, I think
Just say it.
lack of what?
Job.
What kind of job?
Your job.
This is, I would say this is under my purview. I would want to create a I would want some stabilization techniques around the stock market. That is what I would do. And I'm not arrogant about my abilities. I would try to get a few finance girls
That makes
to
sense.
advise me about whether this thing would work or it wouldn't work.
So what you're exactly telling is, as a country's home minister, you'd put your financial benefits first. Because you started ranting about stock market already.
I
for
think-
your benefit.
Let me tell you one thing. My ranting about the stock market has come from my current broke level, which I think
But you're the
I
home minister.
adequately represent the bottom half of the
Mr.
country.
Home Minister. Mr. Stock Market Home Minister, you are losing the picture. You are telling me that you will rechange the stock market, make it logical, so that you can get
All of us.
the benefits.
All of us can.
That is what you are going to do as the Home Minister, the first thing.
One among those things. Okay. Second of all, we need some things to be free. Okay. So I'm thinking education, primary education. Okay. And they need to start selling like sunscreen in these really big bottles. Okay, like 2-liter bottles, and then they need to be reasonably priced, like $400 or something like
5
that.
rupees.
No. Listen, I'm fair.
You are running
okay?
the country.
No, but we also have to take we have to take into account the free market, right? It costs money to invent sunscreen. My only problem is that I don't want to pay 500 rupees for a tube the size of my palm. I fear that's unfair.
See, it's either that or cancer.
That's a hoax. I think it's a little bit of a hoax. I don't think everybody who doesn't wear sunscreen is gonna get cancer. But as a person who likes wearing it, I want to see a big bottle. Okay, I want to see a oil size
pump jar.
a pump
A
jar,
pump jar of
a pump jar,
sunscreen.
like the kind of jars that cooking oil comes in. I am not going to. I don't want the little tubes in for me to have to buy every 2-3 weeks. I'm not doing that.
Okay, if that is the case, sunscreen. Okay, health ministry ka first thing that you will do is sunscreen. Imagine
This is obviously.
you'll only have to hire
I want
Gen
to.
Z influencers
Oh Lord.
to recruit them into the police force. No, MLAs.
So what? Gen Z?
Only MLA tickets that you can give is Gen Z influencers who do nothing else but dance. Probably Nepo.
You're making it so bad.
Definitely failed actors.
Definitely failed Instagrammers.
Yes.
They're not going to be able to run anything.
You have to make them run something. In that scenario, how would you handle this sinking ship?
See, first of all, I'm turning off the Wi-Fi, okay?
Okay.
They have to. come into
So
office.
as a home
Wi-Fi
minister, you're
jammers.
telling me that the second,
In
third
the
step
o-
you will take is that you will ban Wi-Fi and internet in this country.
No! In the office for the hours of 9 to 5.
So Parliament is not supposed to have internet, so that's Sansad TV. Nobody, the people need
No,
not
let
watch.
there be the streaming camera of Sunset TV. But don't people do that in school? Isn't it like, oh, you're not allowed to look at your phone in school? I'm looking at it. I'm looking at a similar picture.
I've not got to school in 10 years. I don't know.
Okay, whatever it is that they're doing, there's no chat GPT allowed in the home ministry. Okay, this is what you're telling me. I'm supposed to get Gen Z ministers. I don't care. I'll make them work. No phone. No
I said MLAs.
MLAs. No Wi-Fi, no streaming, no chat GPT. Questions will be raised about people's problems, and okay, maybe not just sunscreen.
And your boyfriend, Constitution.
Me and my boyfriend, the Constitution. You have to adhere to that. You want to amend it, submit a bill. Otherwise, shut the fuck up.
That is a fun turn of events. But
The
what
no
if-
Wi-Fi thing is a fun turn of events. You're going to spaz out as the Prime Minister when there is no Wi-Fi because of your Home Minister.
Well, I have my president.
I'm going to have to veto this president thing. I don't agree with it.
You are fucking home minister. You have no vote.
Maybe I don't.
See, you tell me who
This
do
is
you
how
want.
the party splits.
Okay, fine.
On the matter of Wi-Fi, this is how.
This is going to be the Trinamool Congress. I'm going to wait here. Like, you tell me, who should be the nice president then, if that is the logic?
We'll kidnap Zohran Mamdani. We'll call him here.
And make him the president.
Yeah.
Not even an Indian citizen.
Not an American citizen.
So you want to repeat Sonia Gandhi situation all over again. So you want to get an immigrant from a different country.
Can we get Shah Rukh Khan as president?
Shah Rukh Khan as president? Yeah, makes sense.
He's really educated.
But only
People
if he
like
stands
him.
from Amethi and wins.
Presidents don't contest elections. The president is chosen.
From randomly they'll pick up.
No, the president is chosen. I think he's a Rajya Sabha member that is then chosen by the party, the party in power, and they are made the president. The president is not an elected position. Which is why what you're saying doesn't not make sense. You can make Champu your president.
And we can also make Shah Rukh Khan president.
Yes, technically we can. It also depends
We should
on
make
the
Amitabh
person.
Bachchan president.
No.
We should make Amitabh Bachchan president and then we should make whatever the fuck, like chumma prank bills we'll go make him sign them.
Okay, cabinet is not sorted, but it rarely is, and the country does function. So you have laws that you wanna change some laws. You wanna bring some new, you wanna implement more police, less police.
Okay, what majority are we talking?
What do you mean? What majority?
Do we have bulldozing majority?
I dread to say it.
No, it's a hypothetical scenario.
Okay, hypothetically, yes, sir. Yes.
Or if you have 3/4 majority,
Yes.
we can pass any bill.
It's you. Okay,
You are the home minister.
I'm hypothetically, I could also be your
If I'm
opposition.
going to jail, you are coming with me.
I'm turning on you so fast. Somebody have to ask me one question, and I'm like, I've never met this man in my life.
And then I'll start showing all the videos. I'm like, look at this. This is her lap eating my pasta.
Even though I brought pasta today.
Today, did you make it?
No.
Then
No. Okay. So what? Yes, you have a decent amount of majority. You have unilateral control. This is the dictatorship of your dreams.
yeah,
What
and we
I-
castrate rapists on the spot.
Yeah. Full death penalty.
Death penalty. No, castration.
Okay.
Chemical castration.
Can we also take their money? Because I feel like we need to hurt them in places that actually matter, and we can take that money and we can donate it to
To the victim.
Yeah, we'll give the whole money to the victim.
It's like divorce. The second you are a victim of someone, like you
Someone's
get their
assault,
jaidaad.
you get their jaidaad. Full jaidaad.
That's
Of him and of his brothers. Because you didn't improve him when you had the chance, now give your money to the victim.
And also we make music which sounds the same illegal.
You're saying we'll stop people from remaking songs.
Not just remaking. For the past 5 years, all Bollywood songs have been sounding exactly the same.
So let me just get this straight. We are going from chemical castration and financial ruin of rapists, and then you're like, no two songs can sound the same.
No two songs can sound the same, and at the same time, no two actors should look the same.
Yeah, that I agree. Because I feel like you should represent like different niches, and you should be able to play different roles. I don't want the same niche to be populated by a bunch of actors. Like I think there was this one point where everybody sort of looked like Edward Cullen from Twilight, because Twilight was the thing that was going, and then you had all of these actors who used to just look like a bunch of undead vampires, and I was like, this whole Twilight phase just needs to go. Then there were a bunch of actors who used to look like Jacob, like the werewolf one, thoda a little more buff.
That is what happens. So depending on how the racism progresses, wherever it is, regardless of the country, wherever the racism progresses, like once white people are all fun, so that lasts, and then suddenly it's all Middle Eastern people, suddenly it's all black people. It keeps going. It goes in phases.
Along with
It's like the Oscars.
along with the rapist thing, can we also do something about people who ask for dowry? So my thing for you were giving me home ministry, right?
Yeah.
Please, can I do this? Whatever amount of money somebody asks for dowry, they will get caught immediately. I don't know how. I'm figuring that out. But they'll get caught immediately, and how much of money they asked for it, that much money they have to give to public fund.
Public fund? The girl's
Public
family.
fund. That's just reversed. Okay, but the girl's family, regardless of whether marriage doesn't happen, just give the money. So, जो भी घर लड़की का रिश्ता जाता है, you're like, हमको 20 लाख दो, ये लड़की 20 लाख लेगी. Okay, and then we jail this family. Then another family sends a रिश्ता, they're like, हमको 30 लाख दो, ये लड़की को 30 लाख मिलेगा. This boy's family is also jailed.
Nice. The way you Home Minister, me Prime Minister, we'll pull such a, what is called, Hasina, no, what is that movie?
Which one?
Dolly Ki Dolly. We'll pull such a Dolly Ki Dolly. We'll slyly tell them that we like, okay, दहेज देने को हम तैयार हैं, and then we'll only call cops. We'll call them like, इन्होंने दहेज मांगा हमसे 4 crore.
Which is why they should at least start, even if they want to ask, they should be so scared they only ask 1,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So that
Dowry for the sake of dowry is how? Well, it is pointless.
it has always been pointless, because that's probably the only system where you buy a barely functional item after paying an exorbitant amount of money. So that's anyway it is useless. We're at least just talking about a correction.
Yeah.
We're talking about a correction.
We are talking about almost flipping the game.
So are we also putting all these people in prison?
At the same time, yes.
The prisons are going to be so full. You realize there are going to be.
I think that's waste of prison potential though. Once you make someone poor, what only they'll ask for? They'll go ask for dowry somewhere else. To ask that, if they get caught, they need to have that much money. No?
They again need to have money.
Yeah. How will they give that money?
Then they go in debt.
Yeah, then they go in debt. And government, no. So that sounded very dictatorial of me. I was going to say anybody with a debt should be jailed.
No, my point of doing this with you is to prove to you that you are incapable of being an elected leader. No matter how you come to power, you're just gonna become a dictator.
I take incredible offense to that.
You take whatever you want.
Okay, all jokes aside, if I am
never
really
agreed
going to
to that.
become the Prime Minister of this country, the first bill I'll pass is 70% women's reservation in the parliament for MLAs and MPs. Cabinet needs to have 50% female ministers. The Prime Minister, every other term needs to be a woman. The President...
All the 30% men who will still be in the parliament outside of
Yes.
the 70%. No, they have to pass. I feel like they have to pass an intersectional feminism test.
They should pass...
I'm freaking serious about.
I think we're going a little too far. Posh test they pass, it'll be fine.
If you tell them they have to pass a posh test, next day they'll come with pressed shirt, pant and tie because they thought they have to
They're
look posh. Posh we have to look now. That's what they're going to think. They don't understand that it is the Committee Against Sexual Harassment. 100% that is the thing that's going to happen.
I mean, I think it is the easiest thing to say we ban sexism.
We ban sexism.
Yeah.
Again, they're going to be like, you're preventing us from having sex.
No.
because they don't-
Let's like roll over with our idea. Like, how do we systemically ban sexism? Like currently we are there. It's not like government is like we are changing the thought. We are in politics, but we are not prime minister.
we're in
we have
power.
some sort of power, and we have to ban sexism systemically.
I like how uncomfortable we are with power, that we are like, we have some sort of power after literally declaring here that tu Prime Minister, I'm Home Minister.
So we can ban sexism, and then some idiot will come after us, and then they'll re-ban it. Then
They'll
lift the ban.
reinstate,
Yeah, they'll just lift the ban. How long is that going to take?
See, we're in power for 30 days, so I suggest we do the best we can.
And then what? Leave it up to God?
You.
See, great change comes when you make the change and then you make sure sustainably it
So
exists.
you've seen the film Nayak, right?
Yeah.
You understand what happens. I'm sure people have seen Nayak. What happens is that Anil Kapoor is only chief minister for 24 hours,
Yeah.
and then he is supposed to walk away. But he does such a good job that the people essentially ask for him to stand in election and come back to power again. And
That is a fantasy.
that is one.
See, if let's say
But this is a fantasy of the people. Like the movie is made that way because it's a fantasy of
all
the
Shankar
people.
films are made like that only. The next thing Shankar made was Robo. I mean, not next thing, but
After
future he
that,
made Robo at the same time. So, I do feel like for change to exist and become sustainable, there needs to be a systemic change slowly. So, like that,
You're making
quirkily. First of all, we should ban all like girls dating emotionally dumping boys. I guess that is where the change starts.
There's going to be so
Dump
many,
that boy who's in your DMs.
There was going to be so many single girls. So many single girls.
Marry each other.
You're going to make same-sex marriage legal.
I mean,
Yeah.
how will I marry the president?
You heard it here, folks. He wants to marry the president. But I'm so happy.
This gender neutral president.
Gender neutral president.
But again, is it legal for a prime minister and president to marry each other?
Yeah.
Will it become a little too king and queen? Like, little too monarchy. And you know for a fact if there is like Bhanak of monarchy, the way I'm going to like flip, take over.
Yeah, because in your body, 80% of your body is made up of Sanjay Leela Bhansali movies.
Yes.
So the moment you come to know you're going to be able to become a queen of something, all democracy is going to leave your system, and you're going to want to. You're going
Me
to.
for queen. Vote. Okay, I mean, I do understand.
Yeah.
But see, it will become too much monarchy is my biggest fear. And then I'm not responsible for the change which has to come.
So first of all, I don't think it's illegal for the prime minister and president to be married to each other.
In our country, at least.
I don't think it's illegal. It's not a. What do you say?
Is it
It's
frowned
not
upon?
it's not a bias. It's
Ah.
not a bias issue. No, I don't think. I don't even know if it's frowned upon. I think you can be married.
Can we sell manga about us?
No, you can't. The elected officials cannot have share in like private business. They cannot. Their only job is to be public
But what
service.
if it's fiction?
No, nothing. No money can be directed
resign.
to you.
I resign right now.
That's all, folks.
I haven't come to the
Take prime ministry.
You're making.
Make me president.
You're making a home minister the prime minister, and you're running away from power.
I'm not running away.
You're absolutely
I'm
running
entrusting
away.
it with a more responsible.
I in my scenario, I gave you the most.
I quit.
I knew you wouldn't hold on to this job like you don't.
No, I should have a job to lose. See,
I knew that you spiritually unemployed person, you're just going to ghuma fira ke come to a place where you're like, I don't do this job anymore.
I mean, if I'm the prime minister and my cabinet runs things,
The prime minister also runs things.
I'll be president. I'll just sign things.
And then what's your partner gonna do? He was president, no?
President's wife. First lady.
This episode is
And
going
you'll
to
be the husband left prime minister.
Husband left prime minister.
Husband less, sorry.
There's a lot of prime ministers like that.
All of them like that only. Wifeless, husbandless.
After this friendless also, because I'm not speaking to you anymore.
Hey, I made you the prime minister of the country. How will you not speak to
By
me?
defecting from power just because you were not allowed to marry the president, as if I'm Amrish Puri or something and I told you not to marry. I just told you it's possible.
See, I gave you the power.
Yeah.
I made you the prime minister. I'm going to be there to give you suggestions.
Unfortunately, I think even if you
Because
were,
I hate people.
At least when you were dictator, I think it would have been fun in some way. If you make me prime minister, there's going to be death penalty for all sorts of shit.
Well, it is going to be a dictatorship only because the majority
It
of
will
this country is
also-
going to think our government is a dictatorship.
Too.
Because they'll be like some media reporter, Madam Prime Minister, do you think that men should have rights? And then you will be like, no,
no.
they already think we are dictators.
So I think here in this, my opinion would be the same thing that you started with. I understand that one might think I'm a dictator, but I'd be a really good one. Give it a chance and see. I think
This is our pitch, guys.
This is our pitch.
Kaundinya and Kirat for dictators.
Make us your next dictators.
The first time I said my name is to endorse myself to be a dictator. I understand though, like it's a beautiful euphoria where people of the community.
In my rule, Euphoria will not be aired in this country. That show looks crap bag. No reels, no posts, no.
Cut the cameras, dead ass. We are done.
Fine, I'm okay. But if
No,
it's a dictatorship.
no. I said euphoria, matlab in a good way. Like actual meaning of the word you, right?
I just remembered the show, and I don't want to see that stupid.
How
Sam
long do you
Levinson.
have to talk about euphoria then?
0 minutes for Euphoria. What did I tell you? In
Let
my
me make
rule.
it official
No,
that I
in my
don't hate
rule.
the show. This prude obviously doesn't like the show.
Literally, some of the worst acted things I see are all from Euphoria. I'm sorry, honey, I'm not getting on that train. That train's leaving without me.
Yeah, we will become dictators.
And when I become dictator, that show will not air in this country.
We'll ban
It's
Sam Levinson.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah, we can ban Sam Levinson.
Like how they banned heated rivalry in Russia, right?
They did.
It's,
But the
yeah,
best
yeah.
memes come from Russia.
They people are pirating it and watching.
That makes complete sense.
But I also don't want Euphoria to then reach. to then reach.
She really wanted to be on the pod today.
I can't believe she did that.
Nice, so she's having a zoomies.
So I don't.
Finance minister.
No, this is disaster management minister.
Disaster causing
Disaster causing. Disaster initiation minister.
initiation minister. And disaster management minister, Leo.
That is
First
the,
instant is run away.
No, Leo is going to. We are going to have to create
Home
a separate
minister.
ministry for again home minister. No, Leo's
You're
gonna,
president.
There's going to be a separate ministry for single adoptive parents, men and women. Leo will be their minister. Okay, because most empathetic. Leo's a cat. Okay, guys.
Yeah. Leo is.
We need to start having pictures of like Leo and
Yeah.
and
Leo is our cow.
cow, cat, dog. Okay, just to conclude, tell me 5 things you're banning. No, please don't say man. No.
Straight marriage. Straight sex. Straight media. Straight love stories. Straight love stories in movies. You love straight love stories in movies. Guavas. What will you ban? Co-dictator.
I need to think. What
I
should
will ban things for her also. It's fine. Okay, bye guys. Let's see you next week.
You're banning me.
Yes.
No, I didn't say
Dictators have to act fast.
Fuck off. What would I ban?
Men.
No.
Really?
Yeah, I
Trying
would
to be
ban.
the Mother Teresa of this. Yesterday morning she was telling she's going to hate something.
Yeah.
We're like, I mean, we should ban heat, guys.
Maybe Chetan Bhagat.
Sun you'll ban.
Chetan Bhagat books. Those really annoying bikes that make a lot of noise when they drive.
Yeah.
Ban, no?
Actors from the third generation.
Ban. Then a rapist being in position of power. Ban. Okay. Actors with no sex appeal. Ban. Okay. I just
Ban.
can't. I can't have.
Just because you don't think someone has.
No, like it will be a universally voted upon thing, and if people decide this person doesn't have sex appeal, they're not doing movies anymore. And the 5th thing that I am going to ban is stupid hat. No, I like the
What
hat.
is with this anger towards animals?
And no, I'm very pro animals. I just hate the fact that 2 minutes before we sit down for the podcast, you're like, I'm finding my hat. Where's my hat?
Well, this makes the dictator look cute and approachable.
I guess that's why Hitler got the little mustache.
The way that was the most ugliest thing someone could think of, and it's like, मैं तो बहुत cute है.
Everybody wants to have their iconic moment. I guess he
Yeah.
was looking for one too. He wanted to get into art school and he was kicked out because his paintings didn't have feeling.
So Hitler is a failed artist.
That explains so much.
Next, oh my god.
No.
Oh my god.
Next, nothing. Yeah, I have to stop you before this reaches the wrong place.
Next week, we get more failed artists. Interview them and stop them from being Hitlers.
Basically, we give them their 15 minutes of fame so that they don't go crazy.
Yeah.
And they don't become dictators.
Like I did with you in the last episode.
I'm closing this podcast. You go become a dictator.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye.